Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning Electronics. In this lecture, we are going to study comparison of symmetrical and asymmetrical configuration of semiconductor. The working and output waveforms of this type of configuration of semiconductor we had already seen in the previous classes. So if you want to see that videos, you can check it in the channel playlist. So before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get more updated videos from here. This is the circuit diagram of symmetrical configuration of semiconductor. Here we can see that we are using two SCRs and two diodes, but this SCR1 and D2 are connected on the same leg, whereas this SCR2 and D1 are connected on the same leg. And in the asymmetrical configuration, again we are using two SCRs and two diodes, but SCR1 and SCR2 connected on the same leg, whereas D1 and D2 diodes connected on the same leg. So this is the difference between the circuit diagrams of these configurations. Now we will see the difference between the symmetrical and asymmetrical semiconductor configuration based on the parameters used. First one is devices used. As we have seen, in the symmetrical configuration we use two SCRs and two diodes but connected in different fashion, whereas in asymmetrical configuration also we use two SCRs and two diodes in the bridge configuration, but they are also connected in different fashion as compared to symmetrical configuration. Second one is conduction angle. The current conduction in the symmetrical configuration takes place for 5 radians, whereas the current conduction in the asymmetrical configuration takes place for pi minus alpha radians, where alpha is called as the firing angle or delay angle of SCR. Third one is control of load power. Control of load power is possible in both type of configuration of semiconductor because they uses SCRs in the circuit of these semiconductors. Fourth one is control circuit or triggering circuit. In the symmetrical configuration, the SCRs which are connected in the bridge configuration has common cathode connection. Therefore, triggering pulses need not to be isolated from each other. That means in the symmetrical configuration of semiconductor, both the SCRs can be triggered simultaneously to drive them into on state. Whereas in the asymmetrical configuration, both the cathodes of SCR1 and SCR2 are at different potential. Therefore, triggering pulses need to be isolated from each other. Fifth one is quadrant of operation. Both symmetrical and asymmetrical configuration of semiconductor operate in first quadrant. That means the average DC output voltage and DC current are positive in this type of semiconductors. Sixth one is direction of power flow. In both the symmetrical and asymmetrical configuration of semiconductor, direction of power flow is unidirectional. That means power can flow only in one direction, that is from source to load. Seventh one is freewheeling action. Freewheeling diode is used in both configuration of semiconductors, but in the symmetrical configuration, the freewheeling action occurs first through S1 SCR and D2 diode, and secondly, the freewheeling occurs through S2 SCR and D1 diode, and the freewheeling which occurs is inherent and not an external action. In the asymmetrical configuration, in mode number 1 and mode number 3, both modes, the freewheeling action takes place through diode D1 and D2 only, and here also the freewheeling action is inherent and not an external process. Last one is configuration. As we have discussed the power circuit of these configurations, S1 and D2 are connected on the same leg in the symmetrical configuration, and S2 D1 are connected on the same leg, where in the asymmetrical configuration, S1 and S2 connected on same leg and D1 and D2 are connected on another leg on the same line in the asymmetrical configuration. So these are the differences between the symmetrical and asymmetrical configuration of semiconductor. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you very much for watching, and please do subscribe my channel for more updates.